Welcome back to CAD Station. In today's tutorial, we are making this part using the Solidworks. You can see we have two steps and connected by two links on both sides, but it's in different directions. So we have a sketch here with proper dimensions. Let's start from the new and part design. And similarly, we are going for the millimeters. And now, first of all, top plate and sketch, a straight slot and select 3-point slot that is going to start from the origin. Now, smart dimension, or you can select the circle and make two circles. Now, press Ctrl and select both the circles and go to the relation equal. Now, smart dimension. We have total length of, you can find here, from center to center is 100 and the diameter is 100. So this one is of 100 and similarly the diameter is 100, that's mean radius should be 50 mm and okay. Next is the circle is of 15 mm radius. So the circle is of 30 mm diameter and that's all for the base, and we are going to extrude it up to 15 mm. And features and extrude boss base is going to be 15 mm and okay. Now next is we have another step at a distance of 90 mm from bottom. If I just eliminate this 10 mm, so we have to create this base from the origin or from the bottom at 80 mm. So we are going to create first of all Control 7 and we are going to reference geometry and we want to create a plane from the top plane and at a distance of 80 mm. Right? We have put 80 mm here and okay. Now select the plane and sketch. Select this slot and convert in 3Ds. Again, select these two circles by pressing the Control and convert this in 3Ds. Now we are going to again slot, 3-point slot, and similarly from here to here, I am making another slot. We are going to make this side, but this table side we will sketch it later, but the base, or you can say the base of the top side, we are going to sketch this one. So we need one more slot, right? Now we are going to smart dimension and between these two, or you can simply between these two lines, the gap is 10 mm. And the inner slot, this is of 50 mm. So from here to here, or you can select this one. This is all going to be of 25 mm. Now we need this square box. You can see here a square or rectangle of 25 mm. So we are going to sketch it right here. 2-point corner rectangles from this point to this line. Now smart dimension. Gap is 25 mm and similarly this one is of 25 mm. Right? Now we are going to trim in 3Ds. I want to trim this one. Okay. This one, and this one. Now we can extrude it. Yes, we can extrude it up to, you can find here the height is 10 mm. Both sides is mentioned. So features, extrude boss base. And this is going to be now 10 mm. Okay. Right? Now we can hide this lane. And I'm going to select this plane and sketch and just click on it and convert it 3Ds. Now, I want to convert these entities also, but I can make a short rather than to convert entities because of this gap. So from here to here, okay, one more thing. 3-point slots from origin to the center point is my dimension. This is again going to be 40 mm. Now we can extrude it. Features, extrude boss base, and this is going to be you can take it as much as you want. I'm going to put it as 50 mm at the time. Okay. Now select this plane and sketch. Press Ctrl and you can change its position. Now I am going to take a line. From this line, you can see it's highlighted. Make a tapered line and now select a smart dimension. Select these 2 points and 10 mm. Now select the line and any of the bottom line. I've just skipped this taper line and any of the horizontal line and make the angle as 10 mm. Because it's mentioned here, you can find this is 10 mm. So 10 mm is mentioned. Now you can go for the line. Now you have to close the external drawings here. Just close it. Okay. Now Control 7 for isometric view and features extrude cut. We are going to cut through all both and okay. Now the sketch is ready, only 2 things left, that is the links are supported at this side and another in opposite direction. So for this, select sketch. Line from this point to just put it here. Now this point, return at same angle, now close. Skip. Select both the lines and make the relation parallel. Right? Now smart dimension. You can find here the gap is 25 mm. So this is of 25 mm, and if I just put 25 mm here, by default it becomes 25 mm. You can see here. Now we can go to the features, extrude boss base. And we can extrude, you can see it's going to be outside to reverse its direction, and thickness is going to be 10 mm and okay. Now go for the opposite side, sketch. Similarly, take the line from the edge and close this, escape. Now you can find it's not horizontal, so I'm going to make the relation horizontal. And now smart dimension, mention any one of them as 25. And one more thing, these two are parallel. Right? Now Control 7 for isometric view, and we are going to extrude it. Again, you can find it's going to be outside, so opposite direction at 10 mm and okay. And here we have done Control 7 for isometric view. We can change its appearance. Right, and if I want to change its color of these walls, so I can do by selecting one by one all the sides that I want to change the color, and go to appearance again and select okay. Now it's done here. So I hope this tutorial you easy. If you have any problem regarding this one or any of these sketches, then you can ask me on comment section. And if you are new to CAD Station, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.